Nifty is standing near an important support zone. Global markets are mostly supportive. India VIX has cooled down and Brent crude has come near $101. But FIS are still bearish. USDINR is near 96.59 and option chain shows resistance near 23,700. So today's big question is, will Nifty hold 23,600 and recover towards 23,800, or will sellers drag it below 23,500? Let's see. Hello everyone, welcome to Market Hours India. Let us quickly understand today's complete pre-market setup. Yesterday, Indian markets closed on a slightly weaker note. Nifty closed around 23,655, almost flat with a small negative bias. Sensex closed near 75,183, down around 135 points, while Bank Nifty closed near 53,439, losing around 123 points. One positive point is India VIX, which cooled off by around 3.88% and closed near 17.81. It shows that fear has reduced slightly, but still the market is not completely strong because Nifty is trading near important support zones. Now looking at global markets, the cues are mostly supportive. US markets closed positive, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, small cap indices all ended in green. US VIX also cooled down, which is positive for global risk sentiment. Asian markets are also mostly positive this morning. Nikkei is showing strong gains, Shanghai is mildly positive, and Hang Seng is also supportive. Overall, Asia is giving a positive signal. European markets were mixed. DAX, CAC, and IBX closed negative, while FTSE, SMA, and few other European indices closed positive. So, from Europe, the signal is mixed but not strongly negative. Now, coming to index futures. Gift Nifty is trading around 23,650, almost flat. This indicates a flat opening for Indian market. It is not showing a clear gap up or gap down. So the first 15 to 30 minutes will be very important to understand whether buyers or sellers are taking control. Now let us look at commodities and currency. Brent is trading around $101 per barrel, which is lower compared to recent higher levels. This is slightly positive for Indian markets. USDINR is around 96.59, which shows that rupee is still under pressure. A weak rupee is not positive for market because it can increase import costs and may also affect FII sentiment. Now coming to institutional data, FII sold around 1891 crore in cash market yesterday. DIIs supported the market with buying of around 2492 crore. This means domestic institutions are still supporting the market, but FII selling pressure remains a concern. In index futures and options, FIs are still holding net bearish positions, and yesterday also fresh short positions were added. This is an important caution point for the market. Proprietary traders are mildly positive in index futures but bearish in options. It shows a hedged setup, not a clear bullish setup. Clients are overall bullish, and yesterday also added fresh long side positions. So once again we have a divergence where FIs are bearish and clients are bullish. Whenever this type of divergence happens, we need to be careful because if the market fails to move higher, client long positions can come under pressure. Coming to the technical side, for Nifty, 23,600 is the immediate support. If Nifty holds 23,600, we may see a recovery attempt towards 23,700 and 23,800. But if Nifty breaks 23,600, then the next important support is 23,500 and the next important support is 23,350. And the upside 23,800 is immediate resistance. A strong and sustained move above 23,800 is required for bulls to gain confidence. Above 23,800, the next important psychological resistance is 24,000. Now looking at option chain. Option chain shows 23,700 as immediate resistance and 23,500 as immediate support. On downside, there is no strong put rating below 23,500 till 23,000. This means if 23,500 breaks, downside movement can be faster. And the upside 23,800, 24,000 call rating is visible. So bulls need strong buying support to cross 23,800. Without strong buying, market may again face selling pressure near 23,700 and 23,800. So overall, today market setup is neutral to cautious. Positive factors are global cues. India VIX has cooled down. Brent crude has cooled near $101. DIs are supporting the market and Gift Nifty is almost flat. Negative factors are FIS are still bearish. Fresh short positions were added yesterday. USD INR around USD INR remains weak around 96.59 and option chain shows resistance near 23,700 and 23,800. For today, the important levels are on the downside watch 23,600, 23,500 and 23,350, and the upside was 23,700 and 23,800 and 24,000. If Nifty sustains above 23,600, we may see a recovery attempt towards 23,800. But if Nifty breaks below 23,500, then selling pressure can increase towards 23,350. My view for today is neutral to cautious. I will become positive only if Nifty sustains above 23,800 with strong bank Nifty support and good market breadth and proper price confirmation. Until then, avoid aggressive trades and wait for confirmation. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. Please do your own analysis and follow proper risk management before taking any trade. Thank you for watching Market Hours India. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.